Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can view and acknowledge your notifications. All of your notifications will be located on the right hand side of the Kidsoft Information Centre. Now, depending on your user role access will determine which notifications you can see. To view those notifications, you can click on the hyperlink and this will take you to the notifications screen. You can do one of two options. You can either acknowledge and this will simply remove the notification, or you can acknowledge this notification and it will take you to the tab. For example, the notification is around an enrollment error notification. So by clicking on Go to Tab, it's going to take you to the Child's Enrollments tab. Switching back over to the notifications, you can acknowledge these notifications in bulk. And to do this, you can tick the toggle Select All, click on Bulk Acknowledge Notifications, and click Yes. And this will now acknowledge all notifications for that particular category. Going back to the Kidsoft Information Centre, another helpful hint for the notifications, when clicking on the notifications, sometimes you will see no notifications on the display. This is because the issue date is automatically defaulted to 2 weeks in the past. So this means that these notifications are before that issue date. So to view those notifications before this issue date, you can simply clear out that date, click search, and you will then see all of those notifications. Now, to find out what this notification is in relevance to, in the alert column, you will see an additional hyperlink. By clicking on this hyperlink, this is going to take you to the CCS messages screen. Now, depending on what user role access you have, will determine if you can see the CCS messages. And you will then see a description message from CCS alerting you of what has occurred. Going back to those notifications, again, you can see there's now quite a lot of these notifications. To clear them out, you can again simply click Toggle Select All. Alternatively, you can select a range of these notifications and click the Bulk Acknowledge, and this will then remove those notifications. You can go back and view notifications at any time by simply clicking on the Service menu and under General, click on Notifications. This allows you to update the status from Not Acknowledged to All. You can select your specific category. You can choose more than one. You can enter in a date range if you wish and simply click Search. This will then list all of those notifications from in the past for your service. For any further information on the notifications, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.